Hello everybody. How about a look at me refurbishing these miniature 35 twinkle lights by King, start to finish. It's going to be a long one, so let's get started. First I've got to get it set up on my test rig, and these don't even work. So my first step they are indeed working. Now to get started. Being the 35 strand single flasher, they take 3.5 volt bulbs. I guess I can do a time lapse on this because this is going to be time consuming. Well, however long that was, I'm done. Got the nice deep colors on this strand as well. I think it's going to be time for a Dr. Pepper after all that, because I have got a lot of stuff to put away. And just like that, they are all packaged back up and awaiting decorating the main Christmas tree. Thank you for watching.